Hey there, I just wanted to make a really quick video because I created something today that I'm really proud of. It's my first attempt at the whole vibe coding thing in Claude Code. And I made a feature for Illustrator that I absolutely love. Now, this is something that's in Firefly, so I'm just going to show you quickly. It's already in Firefly at the moment. You can select a whole bunch of images, and then you can click this little lovely cucumber here, Mosaic Arrange. And it just puts it in a block and you can adjust the spacing. Now, I love this feature because it's a great way to just place loads of images and then organize them quickly. So what I'm going to do now is go into Illustrator. You may have noticed that cheeky little panel over there on the right. Don't worry, we'll come back to that in a moment. So we've got some design files from a good old design review back in the day. So let's just plonk all of these files in the document. So 16. So I'm going to place these really randomly. There we go. We're dumping in our files. So what we can do is go over here. You can see we've got the new Mosaic grid plugin. You can tell I'm really proud of myself. Oh, right. Anyway, so we're going to click Arrange Mosaic Grid and then boom. It just puts everything in a grid. Now the grid is completely flush on the top, bottom and left, right edge. So the whole thing is super clean, nice. But we can also adjust the horizontal spacing. So we can space things out a bit. I don't know why it's jumped back over there. We can space it out vertically, or you can just drag both sliders to the left and it closes up all of the gaps. And we could duplicate this as well, actually. We could just add some more, select everything, click the button again, bosh, and it just updates it. So this is a really good way to just present loads of images, loads of work. Maybe you want to make a collage for a background. It wasn't possible before, and now it is. Right, let's get rid of that. We'll do another example really quickly. So back to place. We'll go to this one. And this is some fantastic work by Ian. And we reviewed this like, what, a year or two ago now? Like, my goodness, where has the time gone? Let's plonk all this in. This is a fantastic project. Love this. Really nice color scheme as well. Oh, look, we want to do a lovely brand presentation. Select it all. Clickety click. There we go. Bosh, done. So if you would like to give this a go, what I'll do is I'll leave some instructions below on how to install this for Windows and Mac OS. And I should probably show you what to do once you've unzipped the file into the extensions folder. Just go to Window, down to Extensions, and you should see it there. You can click it and then it will pop up as a panel that you could just dock like you would anything else. And of course, I'll leave a link to download the plugin below as well. I hope you enjoy this as much as I am at the moment. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.